Say hi. Hello guys. Today Ava is gonna make smoothie. Yes. Yes. So what is this, Ava? Strawberries. So can you put strawberries? Yes. One. Yes, you can put that. Two. Three. Four. Five. Six. Seven. Good job. And here's one more left. 8. Good job. So which one next, Ava?
Ice.
Oh, you want to put ice? Yes, good job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what are you gonna put next? Blueberries? Yes, you can put all the blueberries. Those are the frozen blueberries. So I'm gonna help you. Oh yay! Okay, there's some more. Yes. Good job. Yes. Good job. Is there some more? Oh, here is some more, Ava. Okay, I'm gonna give it to you here. Yes. Good. Wow. Yum. There's some one more. Okay, yes. So what are you gonna put next? Oh, you wanna put yogurt? Okay, let me just put this on the side. And Ava gonna put some yogurt. Just 1 scoop. Scoop. Yes. 3 scoop. Oh, it's gonna fall down. You have to be careful. Like this. Mama gonna help you. Oh, wow. You're big. You want one more time?
Yes.
Okay, put it here. Yay! We did it. We did it. Good job. Now. That's it. We're gonna put some banana now.
No.
Okay? Do you want to put banana? Yes, good job. You need to close that. Yes. So this one is traditional whole milk yogurt. Okay, that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Do not put that. Use that yogurt, okay?
Oh.
So look at this. Ava is wearing ELSA dress. Ava loves being princess, guys. Okay, now she wants to. Just wait, okay. Okay, we're gonna put a banana. Let me peel it first. Here is one banana. Dump it there, yes. Now we need to put some more.
Water.
Water? No, we can't put water now. Just wait. Let me peel everything first. Go. Now, Ava is gonna put some water. Yeah, that's it. Ooh, okay. Now we're gonna mix. Can you dance, Ava? Like mix. Oh, mix. Yes. Oh, you want to put that one? Wait. Yeah, we need to put that one too. Just wait. Okay? Yeah, put one. Okay, let's see. How is she gonna put all? Okay, guys. It's full. Yeah, so we need to wait.
Oh, see.
Oh, you want to see? Now, guys, we're gonna press it. put one more.
Oh.
Okay, let's cover it. Video. Okay, put down. Put down. Yes. Oops. Yeah. Okay. Now do this one too. So let's see, baby, gonna try it. Okay. We're gonna try it. Okay, I'm gonna clean that. Do you like it, baby?
Yes.
Okay. Can you give me thumbs up?
Come.
Yum. So yum. You have to do like this, baby. You can't drink. Baby, it's already gone in.
Oh.
Yes. Yes. Okay, that's okay. Let's put it here. That's fine. We're gonna put it next time.